the Ingham Institute, there are 2 statisticians who are able to support clinicians and advise clinicians around their study design, sample size, outcomes, those sorts of things. It is really important to consult with one of the statisticians or other research experts at the beginning of your project and not at the end of your project once you've collected your data and you're now trying to make sense of it. It's important that you speak with someone who can advise you about the appropriate outcome measures to use, the appropriate study design for your particular research question, and thinking about what sort of sample size you need to have for your project so that you can be sure that you have recruited enough people to be able to demonstrate a difference or an effect or whatever it is that you're aiming to look for. And that all needs to be done at the beginning of your project, not at the end once you've finished it and now you're trying to make sense of what you've got. When you make an appointment with the statistical team to discuss your project, it's really important that you've given your project some thought before you get there. So it's a good idea to have a clear research question and a clear idea of what you want to do. It's also a good idea to have a clear outcome measure that you want to collect or that is going to enable you to determine whether a treatment's been effective or whatever it is that you're trying to show. So what is that outcome measure that you're wanting to use? And it's also useful to think about it in terms of what effect size would be clinically useful. So for example, if you're doing a study of rehabilitation and your outcome measure is the 6-minute walk distance as measured in a 6-minute walk test. So if someone shows an increase in their 6-minute walk distance of a particular number of meters, is that clinically meaningful? What is the smallest amount of difference that is clinically meaningful? You know that as a clinician. The statisticians work across a whole range of different topics, and so they're not necessarily aware of clinically meaningful differences for every single outcome measure that exists. And that's what you as a clinician can bring to that discussion. And then the statisticians can help you to work out how many people you're going to need to recruit into your study to demonstrate a worthwhile difference.